Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. I hope you all have enjoyed your social study class. Um, Yesterday, we have done the exercises of the same chapter, chapter number 15, Kolkata. I hope you all have done the exercises in the book. And those who have not done the exercise, please do your work on time. Okay, because it is very important. Chapter number 15, 16 or 17, these are our final exam syllabus. So please everyone focus on it and do work very hard. Okay, so after the exercises, today I will start the question answer of the following chapter. Before this, I want to tell you some important things about the city Kolkata. Children, we know the Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay, the famous language of the Kolkata is Bengali. The famous food items of Kolkata is rice and fish. People generally wear dhoti kurta or the sari blouse. The main festival of Kolkata is Durga Puja. Trams, metros, and other types of vehicles are main transport of Kolkata. There are so many famous buildings and tourist places in Kolkata like Victoria Memorial, Belur Mutt, National Library, Rabindra Setu, Vidyasagar Setu, Chaurangi Commercial Center, Eden Garden. Okay, and National Library is the India's biggest library, which has more than 1 crore books. So, next I will start the question answer. Now look at my copy. Chapter number 15, Kolkata. Answer the following question. Question number 1. How is Kolkata connected to the sea? Answer. Kolkata is connected to the sea through the river Hooghly. Okay, Kolkata is connected to the sea through the river Hooghly. कोलकाता सिटी जो है वो सी से कैसे कनेक्टेड है, किसके थ्रू कनेक्टेड है? तो वी नो दैट कोलकाता इज कनेक्टेड विद द रिवर हुगली. ओके, नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट festivals celebrated in Kolkata? We know that, children, Durga Puja is the main festival of Kolkata. Okay, and it is celebrated within 10 days, and it is the most popular festival of Kolkata. So the answer, the people of Kolkata celebrate number of festivals. Okay, number of festivals means they celebrate Eid, Diwali, Dashera. Okay, every festivals. But Durga Puja is the most popular. But Durga Puja is the most popular. It is celebrated with great joy for 10 days. The people of Kolkata celebrate number of festivals. But Durga Puja is the most popular. It is celebrated with great joy for 10 days. Now look at this book. This is the pandal, okay, where the idols of Durga. Okay, the people of Kolkata celebrate Durga Puja with great joy for 10 days. That's why the Durga Puja is the main festival of Kolkata. Okay, so children, today you have to do only two question answer. Question number 1 and question number 2. I repeat the answer once again. Question number 1. How is Kolkata connected to the sea? So the answer, Kolkata is connected to the sea through the river Hooghly. Come to the question number 2. What do you know about festivals celebrated in Kolkata? So the answer, the people of Kolkata celebrate a number of festivals, but Durga Puja is the most popular. It is celebrated with great joy for 10 days. So children, you have to do only question number 1 or question number 2 today. Okay, you will start the question answers from the new page of your classwork copy. First of all, you will write the chapter number or name and put the date. Okay, and then start heading answer the following questions. Then write question number 1 and then the question number 2. Okay. Um, Today, after writing the question answer, you will learn the things I have learned. Okay, things I have learned. Like Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The old hanging bridge on river Hooghly is called Howrah Bridge. Kolkata's main industry is jute processing. It is very important. That's why you all will learn after writing the question answer. Durga Puja is most popular festival of the people of Kolkata. People speak Bengali and are very fond of sweets. 6. It is the only city where trams are still in use. 7. There are many famous places and buildings in Kolkata. 8. Kolkata is the home of Indian art and culture. Famous buildings and places like Fort William, Eden Garden, Vidyasagar Setu, Rabindra Setu, Belur Mutt, Birla Planetarium and Victoria Memorial. Look at this. This is the main festival, Durga Puja, and look at this. This is tram, and these are famous sweets of Kolkata like sandesh, rasagulla, and rice or fish. So children, after writing the question number 1 and the question number 2, you will write these important points, things I have learned. Okay, you will write all the points from the 1 to 8. It is very important and it is your homework. Okay, thank you.